Idioms. Hit the sack means go to sleep. Miss the boat means it's too late. See eye to eye. Agreeing with someone. On thin ice. On probation. If you make another mistake, there will be trouble. Stealing someone's thunder. Taking credit for someone else's achievements. The last straw. The final source of irritation for someone to finally lose patience, to cut corners, to do something badly or cheaply. The train is arriving dash platform number 6. What will be the answer? Option A at, option B on, option C before, option D open. Comment your answer. Thank you.